swear.
Y'all think I'm playing. She keeps dropping on the boxes. They ain't even heavy either. Just do so many at a time. Man, I really got this shit down. Weight room been paying off for real. I'm joking with y'all. This is probably like a 50-pound bag. I ain't even lying. And this will be kind of hard to throw over.
We might have back problems after
Oh,
this.
I know. My back already gets
Okay, whenever you're ready, sweetie. Oh, I thought you were just gonna hit.
We're at McDonald's right now, bro. What are we at, bro?
Knackers.
Are we eating lunch or
Just no lunch.
no? I mean, are we eating lunch later?
Put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Holla! Wait a minute!
Child. Anyway, so
What's up, y'all? Dang, I just woke up from a little nap, so I'm looking like crap. I didn't do my hair. It's been like this since yesterday. So right now we're walking into the world's largest gift store. You get the baby for a shirt. There's big ones.
Oh no.
I get the monkey one.
Dang, these look just like you, Bella.
She just called me a monkey.
Sliding to
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait, what does he drink?
Okay, that fit.
I like those ones.
Try to run in them.
Y'all, the stuff here is actually so cute. No. Wait, do you think that here? Hold it.
Let me just.
No, look, I'll jump up there. I'll show you how to Michael Jordan that thing. Girl. Good enough.
World's naughtiest kid.
Favorite child? Mom. Hey. World's biggest bum. Here. Ready? Oh, look what she just gifted me.
Give this one to Mom. I'd like to present you this one as well.
Heartbreaker.
Y'all, look what she just gave me.
Isabel Butler, I want to present you with this trophy for the best smile.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Girl, what the fuck?
Look, it's a little mini stuff. It's the world's smallest stuff. These are so cute.
Look at that red baby.
See, there's Oklahoma. Oh shoot, look at the bus driver.
Baby, I'm not even here.
Why does this low-key look fun? I want to play on this. What the? It stinks. Why are they screaming? They yell, "Welcome to Uranus," every time someone walks in the door.
Girl, what the fuck?
Abusive mom.
Help me! Help me!
So guys, so right now me and my sister are the only ones in the weight room. So it's not very huge, but I mean overall it's not bad. So you got all your dumbbells, and then you got some weird lady in a green shirt working out. Oh, that's Bella. What's up, y'all? It's 2:04 right now, and me and my sister are walking out to the van because we're heading back home.
We're actually driving.
We got the whip. We got the keys, so. But anyways, we're walking to the van right now because she's gonna go grab her brush because her hair is very nappy today. Ever since I started using, bro, it's really good Anyways, ever since I started using that new product that the dermatologist recommended, the first 2 days it was going so good, and then I don't know what happened. I haven't done any skincare today because my skin since last night, actually since yesterday, I did all my skincare products and I had like a horrible breakout. My face was like super red, and now it's super itchy and dry, and I don't have anything with me, I don't think. Hey guys, so I'm back. Today I decided that I'm gonna be an Uber driver in St. Louis for the people here at the gym, so if anybody needs a ride, yeah, come on in.
Do I need to get in the front or the back?
Front's fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I got my very first person. Oh my god. I'm doing this all day today. I'm very excited. Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Do you guys like my purse?
No, not really, but what's your name?
Chloe.
I hate that name.
So what brought you down to Missouri?
Well, you know, at first it was just gonna be like a little family vacation, and then I decided, well, why not snag while I'm here, you know? Yeah. Brushing out that nappy hair? You ready to go?
Yeah, so I
Okay.
want to go to the NXTpro tournament or basketball games.
Oh, actually, it's not too far of a drive from here.
Perfect.
It's only about a 5-minute drive, so we'll get to it. Alright, it looks like we're here. Sausage and American cheese on it. It's good. We literally just woke up like 15 minutes ago. I hate when they freaking do that. They literally wake me up like 5 minutes before we go eat breakfast. So I'm going downstairs looking like. So I got pancake sausage eggs.
Almond milk. Help me! Help me!
Right now, we're in Burlington. I almost forgot. And I've already found like 4 things that I like. I want to show you guys this one box real quick. I actually found some earrings. I want to wear hoops, but not the big ones. I found these ones. And then Bella found these ones. These ones are cute. And then I found some tweezers, because my tweezers are like old and they sort of suck now. They're not very, they're like really dull now. But look how cute this box is. Jewelry box. It has C on it. And then look how pretty that is. But yeah, you just open it up, put your jewelry in it. This is cute. I may end up getting this. There's jeans. I like the lightning boots. Well, I wouldn't wear these ones if I got these. Oh, and look at these earrings. These are so freaking pretty. But I just kind of bought some like these off Fashion Nova a few weeks ago. This is what it would look like. I could definitely see myself wearing this with like a long dress. Y'all, don't play with me. I always have to look in the baby section every time I come to this store. Their stuff is just so cute. Found a few cute little jumpsuits. Yo, look how cute this one is that I found. Look how cute this freaking is. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna ask if I can get this for $50.
That one, that is so cute. Or this one. This one is so freaking cute too. Okay, so right now I'm trying to pick out an outfit for my son. Yes. And I can't decide between this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And this one also comes with shorts as well. Hold on, this is what the shorts look like. And this one is really cute. I'm really liking this one. There was another one I seen a minute ago. That was a Nike one and it had like shorts on it. I can't remember where it went though. Yeah, these are my choices right now. I don't want to spend too much because this one right here, these ones that come with the shorts are more expensive. So I don't really want to spend like a fortune. So I think I'm going to pick maybe 1 or 2 shirts. I think we'll pick between 2 shirts. The reason why I picked this one is because my dad is a huge Cardinals fan and right now we're in St. Louis. So it kind of makes sense. I'm not doing this one. No. Okay, so here's my... Oh, that is cute. I like that one. Okay, so here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's my 7 choices.
I don't know about anybody else. Did I match him?
I got the 10-piece nuggets, medium fries, small chocolate. What did you get?
We got 2 McDoubles, ketchup, mustard, and cheese.
It's hot.
Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Gotta make that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on the go.
Did everybody order? Go for the elephant. Where? Oh, hurry. Oh no, go to the left. Why? It wouldn't move. What's up, guys? So right now it's like 2:10. We just got here 10 minutes ago. And I'm freaking tired. But yeah, that was our trip. I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.